Visit jnbank.com.
In primetime news this evening, leptospirosis cases surge in Jamaica, prompting outbreak designation by the government. Race to save livestock amid growing health fears. And the Old Harbor family seeks answers after fatal shooting.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Logue.
And I'm Sandy Williams. Later in the business news, we tell you why credit rating agency Fitch fears Hurricane Melissa could impact some local banks.
And guess what, Sandy? Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Well, an interim head coach has been appointed for the senior reggae boys, and the JFF has done so from within the organization. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with us to tell us what's to come later in the weather forecast.
Thanks, Sandy. Now, we do have wet conditions across the area this weekend, but as we start next week, we do have a dry pattern that is expected to emerge, so we do have more sunshine, especially at the start of next week.
All right, thank you so much, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, are you concerned about the rise in leptospirosis cases since Hurricane Melissa?
Please share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.